citizens and residents of St. Kitts and Nevis. On Saturday, March 28, 2020, St. Kitts and Nevis recorded 5 additional cases of COVID-19. This brings the total number of confirmed cases to 7. The patients are 3 females and 2 males, who are all citizens of St. Kitts and Nevis. The female patients are aged 10 months, 24 years, and 36 years, while the 2 male patients are 29 and 39 years respectively. All 5 of these cases are travel-related, meaning that the cases were imported into the Federation. This determination has been made based on the patients' travel histories to St. Martin and Antigua during the period March 6 to 13, 2020. The Federal Ministry of Health wishes to advise the public that these confirmed cases of COVID-19 indicate that all such patients are being subjected to compulsory isolation in order to limit the likelihood of transmission to others. The ministry further advises that the contacts of all 5 patients will be subject to strict quarantine and testing as well, given that they would have been exposed to the novel coronavirus and can infect others during the incubation period. The Ministry of Health wishes to remind our citizens and residents of our individual and collective responsibility to stop the spread of COVID-19 in our Federation. This means 1. Strict observance of quarantine regulations by remaining at home if you are placed on home or self-quarantine by the public health authorities. And the reason for this is that you can infect others during the quarantine period, even if you have none of the symptoms of COVID-19. Failure to comply with these regulations can attract a fine of up to $8,000 and other penalties. 2. Persons who have been placed in mandatory isolation after being diagnosed with COVID-19 must remain in the place of isolation at all times for the duration of the period. A person in isolation is considered highly contagious and as such is not permitted to leave the place of isolation for any reason whatsoever. Failure to comply with isolation requirements can attract fines of up to $8,000 and other penalties. 3. Strict adherence to the state of emergency provisions and regulations outlined in Statutory Rules and Orders No. 7 of 2020, Emergency Powers COVID-19 Regulations, which took effect from 7 p.m. on Saturday, March 28, 2020. Fines of up to $5,000 and other penalties, including imprisonment, are applicable to persons who break the law with regards to A, the mandatory curfew that has been put in place, and B, restriction of movement insofar as the hours of 5 a.m. and 7 p.m. are concerned. The ministry appeals to all to avoid unnecessary travel outside of one's domestic premises, particularly if one has no good reason to be away from home and one's movements are not covered by any of the special provisions outlined in SRNO No. 7 of 2020. The people of St. Kitts and Nevis are further reminded that we can only win the fight against COVID-19 if everyone does his or her part and is compliant with the laws of the country and the advice given by the Ministry of Health. The public is further reminded that the Federal Ministry of Health remains the only official source of information on COVID-19. Feel free to call the COVID-19 hotline number 311 if you have questions and concerns. Thank you for your attention.